Hello friends, welcome in my video classroom. I am Vipul Patel. Today I teach second chapter of physics, units and measurement. Friends, what is unit? Comparison with the certain basic internationally accepted reference standard is called unit. Friends, I asked one question. What is your weight? You say my weight is 50 kg. So here kg is a unit of mass. Second, fundamental quantities. Minimum number of quantities which are independent on each other, and by using this quantity any event can be described are called fundamental quantities. Friends, mass, length, time, etc. are fundamental quantities. It is very useful in our daily life. Third is derived quantities. Quantity which are obtained by using fundamental quantities are called derived quantities. Friends, I give one example of derived quantities. Suppose speed. You learn in standard 9 what is the formula of speed. Distance upon time. Friends, unit of distance is a meter. Here meter is a distance is a fundamental quantity. Distance, otherwise length, and its unit is meter, and unit of time is second. So here speed is a derived quantity with the help of the fundamental quantities. Here meter upon second is a unit of speed, means it is a one type of derived units. Fundamental quantities units is also called units of fundamental quantities. Suppose unit of mass is kg, unit of length is meter, unit of time is second. All are fundamental units. It is also called base units. Friends, next question is, what is the system of units? Write different types of system of units. Friends, a complete set of the fundamental and derived quantities is called system of units. Suppose now we have total 5 number of system of unit. First is a CGS, second is FPS, third MKS, fourth MKSA, and 5 SI system. Friends, in CGS system, C for centimeter. First of all, length, mass and time are three physically quantities, means fundamental quantities. So here C for centimeter, G for gram, S for second. Means in CGS C for centimeter, G for gram and S for second. In second system, FPS system, it is also called British system. Here F for foot, foot is a unit of length, P for pound, pound is a unit of mass, and S for second, it is unit of time. Third system is a MKS system. Here M for meter. Meter is a unit of length. K for kilogram. And S for second. MKSA same. M for meter. K for kilogram. S for second. Here A is a ampere of unit of current. And last one is a SI system. Friends, in SI system, now we have seven fundamental quantities. Its unit and symbol also are available. Friends, in SI system, now we have seven base quantity. Its units and symbol are available. First base quantity is length. Its unit is meter and symbol of the meter is small m. Second quantity is mass. Its unit is kilogram and its symbol is kg. Third physical quantities means time. Its unit is second. It is denoted by S. Fourth, electric current. Electric current, its unit is ampere. It is denoted by capital A. Fifth, thermodynamic temperature. Friends, its unit is Kelvin. But another two unit of Kelvin is, we know that, Fahrenheit and Celsius. But here Kelvin is a SI system, is a unit of SI system of thermodynamic temperature. It is denoted by K. 6. Amount of substance. Friends, you learn in chemistry also. Its unit is mole and its symbol is MOL. 7. Luminous intensity. Its unit is candela and its symbol is CD. Friends, you prepare this SI system. Friends, our next question is explain supplementary quantities and their units of system. Friends, look here. Now we have two supplementary quantities. First is a plane angle and second is a solid angle. Here, radian is a unit of plane angle and its symbol is a RAD, means radian. Second supplementary quantity is a solid angle. Its unit is T radian and it is denoted by SR. Friends, look here. Now we have one circle. Its radius is small r. And here ds is a arc. So in standard 10 we learn definition of angle. Angle is equal to arc upon radius. Here angle is a d theta is equal to, we can write down arc upon radius, means d theta is equal to ds upon r radian. When now we take ds is equal to arc, means arc is equal to radius, so here d theta is equal to 1 radian. Second is solid angle. Suppose area of this part is dA and here d omega is the angle. So according to definition of angle, we can write down d omega is equal to dA upon r square. dA is a area and r is a radius. Friends, now we take dA is equal to r square. At that time, d omega is equal to 1 steradian. Friends, in this picture, now we have two supplementary physical quantities, its unit, symbol, and its definition are available. Friends, here so many physical quantities in system of international. Its symbol and its value is also available. Friends, all these physical quantities we are use in our daily life. Suppose first is a minute. Its symbol is MIN, and we know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Second is hour. Its symbol is H, and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes is equal to 3600 seconds. Third is day. It is denoted by D, small d. 1 day is equal to 24 hours, otherwise 86,400 seconds. Fourth is year. It is denoted by small y. 1 year is equal to 365.25 day, otherwise 3.156 cross 10⁷ seconds. Next, degree. It is denoted by symbol of circle, means first degree is equal to pi upon 180 radian. Next, liter. It is denoted by small l. 1 liter is equal to 1 liter decimeter cube, otherwise 10⁻³ meter cube. Ton. Its symbol is small t. 1 ton is equal to 10⁻³, otherwise 1000 kg. Carat. C. 1 carat is equal to 200 milligrams. Bar. Bar is its unit of pressure. It is symbol is bar. 1 bar is equal to 0.1 megapascal is equal to 10⁵ Pascal. Curie. Its symbol is Ci. 1 curie is equal to 3.7 cross 10⁻10 second inverse. Ronjan. Its symbol is capital R. Its value is equal to 1 ronjan is equal to 2.58 cross 10⁻⁻4 coulomb per kg. Quintal. Its symbol is small q. 1 quintal is equal to 1000 kg. Barn. Its symbol is small b. 1 bar is equal to 100 Fermi meter square is equal to 10⁻² meter square. Arc. Its symbol is small a. 1 arc is equal to 1 decimeter square is equal to 10⁻² meter square. Hector. Its symbol is Ha. 1 hm square is equal to 10⁻⁴ meter square. And last, standard atmospheric pressure, ATM, its symbol. And 1 ATM is equal to 1.013 cross 10⁵ Pascal. Friends, all these values are very useful in our daily life. In this video lecture, we learn what is unit, fundamental quantities, derived quantities, and system of units. In system of unit, 5 systems are available: FPS, CGS, MKS, MKSA, and SI system. And 2 types of supplementary quantities, plane angle and solid angle.